Kenya got independence in the 1963, and by then only 5% of the Kenyans were living in the urban areas. That has shifted because right now in 2025, it is close to 35% of Kenyans are living in the urban areas. The projections, according to a report that was done recently, shows that 60% of Kenyans will be living in the urban areas in 2050, and you will be one of them. Normally, there are 4 factors that contribute to rural-urban migration, and one of them is the economic factors. That include the employment and access to finances. In urban centers, it is very easy to get a job because the industrialization starts from the urban centers. So if you are looking for greener pastures, urban centers are your best bet. The other one is education and healthcare. And most universities or most governments do their universities or any other educational institution in the urban areas. So if you want to be educated and to join the elite, you'll have to migrate to the urban areas. And for healthcare, most hospitals will be created where it is easy to access by many people, and mostly it is always in the urban areas. The third factor is access to social amenities, and that include good roads, better housing, and access to better vacational spaces. Finally, we have environmental factors which are very stable in the urban areas compared to the rural areas where climate can change drastically without any prediction. We are in the biggest urban center in Kenya, and to be specific, we are in Westlands, just 5 minutes from the GTC. This is a development of 2 and 3 bedroom units, where 2 bedroom units are starting from 87 square meters at 11.7 million Kenya shillings. The 3 bedrooms are starting from 115 square meters, and the prices are starting from 15.1 million Kenya shillings. This is a typical 3 bedroom done excellently. It is a show house, that's why it is furnished. The unit that you will purchase will be empty, but we can always furnish it for you on request. Each floor has around 6 units, and they are served by 2 lifts. As you can see, everything has been done very well. What we will see is a 3 bedroom, and it comes with an employee quarters, which is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom unit. Later in the video, I'll show you the 2 bedroom units, and you'll identify the differences. From the entrance, you are getting a console table, and that welcomes you to your unit. On my right hand side, you have the dining area, which is a 4-seater dining set right now, but it can be extended to a 6-seater depending on the size of your family. Back to the main door, you are getting a smart lock which can be opened through a fingerprint, a key, a password, or a card. The target for this development is a small nuclear family. And as you can see, the living space has been done excellently. It is big enough to fit a 6-seater couch, and you have an access here which takes you to the bedroom areas. On this side, you have an area which has been reserved for your electronics. It has been done very well. It will come like this as standard, and I'm loving the combination of the lightings that this developer did. The living room comes with a balcony done excellently, and it also gets a massive window which is floor to ceiling for enough natural light. The balcony is wide enough for a small sitting area like this one, and it gives you the best views of Westlands Commercial Center. What you'll notice is that this developer has given you a hidden curtain concept, which is very, very important these days, and especially when you're living in a good urban area, you need to have everything very modern and very posh. This is the kitchen of this unit. It comes closed. It is a good design. Actually, this is the only kitchen that we have seen in this area adopting this concept. On this side, you have the cooking area, which has been done excellently, and it comes standard with a 4-burner cooktop, of which one of them is an induction heater. On top of it, you get a heat extractor. The combination of upper and lower cabinetry has been done very well. And at the center of the kitchen, you get your washing area. Towards the laundry area, you have a space that has been reserved for your refrigerator. The laundry area is just next to me, and next to it, you have the employee quarters. For 15.5 million Kenya shillings, and living in the heart of Westlands Center, this is a good bargain. If you would want to purchase any of these units, make sure you call us in the number that will be attached in the first comments, and the details of this unit and many more will be found in our website, africanrealestate.com. Let's see the bedrooms. The walkway is wide enough for two people to pass each other with ease. On my right hand side, you have the common washroom. Opposite it, you have the first bedroom. This is the second bedroom, and on my far front, where my videographer is, that's where we have the primary bedroom. We'll start from the first bedroom, and at the end of the day, you'll see all the bedrooms. The first bedroom is the smallest, but it has been done very well, targeting your kids. I'm loving it that it comes with an alcove on this side, which is optional. You can choose to have an alcove or a slightly longer window. On my far front, you have a closet big enough to fit your small kids, or maybe if you have a guest, this bedroom would be perfect for them. The space is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed like this one. From the first bedroom, this is a washroom that is shared between the first bedroom, and it can also act as the common washroom, and it comes with a small vanity. You have a WC at the center, and behind me you have a shower cubicle. You are also getting a double towel holder. At the entrance of the second bedroom, you have the second bathroom, and it has been done excellently. It is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we saw, but you are getting a curved shower cubicle. The vanity is on this end, and on the rear side, you have a WC. This bathroom also comes with a shaving light and a Bolesi heat pump. From there, you can agree with me that this bedroom is slightly bigger. It has enough space to fit a 5x6 bed or a slightly bigger bed, and the closet can be seen very well from there. As you can see, the partitionings have been done very well. You are getting enough spaces for the hangable clothes, spaces down there for the shoes, and you are also getting several drawers for your tiny garments. The bedroom is big enough to give you some spaces for the side drawers. You are getting an alcove as usual, which comes with several drawers, and I'm loving this area because it will be very good for you to put portraits like this or some family photos. From the second bedroom, we are at the entrance of the primary bedroom, and you get your primary bathroom, which is big enough for two. It comes with the biggest vanity in this unit. You have a WC at the center, a good space for you to store your toiletries, and behind me you have a shower cubicle, which is big enough to hold your favorite bathtub. The sleeping space is big enough to do a king-size bed like this one. You can even do a customized bed. The spaces for the side drawers are more than enough, and you're also getting a beautiful side light to make sure that you can enjoy your reading before you go to bed. On this other side, you have a space which is perfect for a dresser, and this is where your soulmate will be applying their makeups. The closet is floor to ceiling as usual. You are getting a transparent door on one side and normal doors on the other side. The partitionings are enough to keep clothes for two people, and I'm loving the quality of the boards that have been used by this developer. Very interesting. For the love of balconies, this bedroom comes with one, and you are also getting a hammock to make sure that the experience here will be a blast. For me, the 3-bedroom is excellent for a small family, and if you would want to purchase it, make sure you call us. Right now, I'm going to take you to the 2-bedroom unit, and if that's what you are looking for, you know what to do. As I had mentioned, The 2 bedrooms are starting from 87 square meters and the prices are starting from 11.7 million Kenya shillings. You are getting a small foyer done excellently, a good storage for the shoes on this side, and on the other side it converts to a very nice storage space for the dining area. This unit comes with a closed kitchen and the kitchen is here. It comes with a sliding door which comes in handy. Next to it, you have the dining area, which is a 4-seater dining set right now. That is all you need for a 2-bedroom. This cabinetry is just very beautiful. Just come to the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen comes fully fitted with a refrigerator area on my right hand side. This is the cooking area, and behind me you have the washing area. You have a small door here which is opening to the laundry area. From my view, I think 87 square meters is a lot of space. If you can get this kind of a living room, then a 2-bedroom is excellent, especially if you want to take this for investment purposes. If you have a 5-seater couch like this one, the space would be excellent. I like how the focal point comes modified and it would easily fit a big TV like this one. You are also getting some drawers here where you can keep the other electronics and maybe some remotes. And on top of it, you can add some decorations to make the space look more posh. This is the only window that you get in this living room, and it also acts as an access to the balcony, which is big enough to get 2 seats for you and your partner as you enjoy the evening sunset. In this development, the lighting has been done differently, and it is something that you have not seen in any other developments. Let me show you. All the lights that you get in these units are directional lights, and you can actually move them depending on your preferences of where you want the light to point. That is excellent concept. On this other side, you have a hallway that opens to the bedroom areas, and just come with me, I want to show you a few things. As you can see, the hallway is wide enough for 2 people to pass each other, slightly smaller than the one that we saw in the 3 bedrooms, but also wide enough. This is the first bedroom in this unit. It has been done excellently. It is big enough to fit a 4x6 bed like this one. Spaces for the side drawers are present. The window is massive for enough natural light, and it is just opposite the closet to make sure that it is easy for you to select your clothes, especially during the day. The first bedroom shares a bathroom with the common washroom. It has been done very well, and it comes with all the fixtures that you may want, like a vanity, a WC, and behind me you have a shower cubicle which comes with a handheld and a rain shower. From here, you have an opening that is giving you an entrance to the primary bedroom, and at the entrance of the primary bedroom, you have the primary bathroom, which adopts a similar concept. The only difference is that this bathroom is slightly bigger than the one that we saw earlier. For a king size or a queen size bed, the space is ample and big enough, and you will get all this is standard. I'm loving the ceiling height of this unit. You can see the same concept in lighting, and this wall has been reserved for your portraits, as you can see in this show house. Behind me, you have the closet. It is a bigger closet compared to the one that we saw in the first bedroom, and it has been done very well and partitioned very well to fit all your clothes. The primary bedroom comes with an alcove, which gives you a very nice place to sit and enjoy the view, or have a conversation with your partner who will be enjoying the warmth of this bed. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase such a unit in Westlands, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. And for the people who are interested in other areas like Riverside, General Madenge, Kilimani, Keleleshwa, Lavington, we are also available for you. That's all for today. We will see you in the next one.